Discussing dual carry, fixed blade, and a pocket knife. Well, Old Timer, Schrade, they solved that. Did it right for you. This is the sharp finger. Well, of course, this is the limited edition, but basically, nice little tool to have. Now they came out with these nylon sheaths. I'm not a fan of the nylon sheath. Okay, I like the leather one. My daughter and son-in-law each got the leather one. But anyway, I ain't gonna mess with that. But that's a nice fixed blade to carry. And then they have this little peanut to keep in your pocket. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That baby sharp. 12 QT. So you know, and you got the little stuff you need to deal with, the finer details. Oh yeah. Anyway, pocket carry. And then you got your fixed blade. Relatively quick deploy. Anyway, that worked.